I now request the speaker to begin. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajni. Shall I start?
Yes, please start.
I guess I'm audible. Okay?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. So thank you for this opportunity given to me. See, I represent Umbrella Agro Private Limited. So I have a corporate presentation over here. I'll just run through the presentation.
Mr. Ravindra, your camera is not on.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, yeah.
Yes, now it is on. You can share the screen also.
Yeah, sorry. I hope, yeah.
Yeah, it's all clear, no? Please proceed.
Yes. So thank you. So once again, this is a corporate presentation. So we are, let me introduce my company. We actually deal in a herbal product, and there are few byproducts from the herbal product what we produce. So our main product, we grow the cordyceps militaris mushroom. So during the process of the presentation, I would tell the properties of the raw material or the raw product. Okay, so let me start the first slide. So as I said, I told you we are the producers of the cordyceps militaris. Now, what is cordyceps militaris? It's cordyceps militaris it's a new generation mushroom. Okay, so it has certain level. So the best level to be found is 11%. So we achieve the cordycepin level is 11%. We get it from China also, but from China. There are few companies, I will not only name the country or something, there are few companies where they achieve 5%, 6%. So our cordyceps level is supposed to be the best in India, actually. So why it is dried cordyceps militaris is because we dried it. After the process is done, we have to dry it, and the shelf life of the mushroom is around 2 years. So we pack it in about 500 grams, about 200 grams, and we sell it in India and outside India. So there is another product. We are the stockist of cordyceps sinuses. Now these are not actually done in a laboratory. It is actually found naturally on Himalayas. Okay, so this is actually a caterpillar fungus. It is called caterpillar fungus. So you can see how it looks like, you know. So I'm sorry for this slide little. Okay. So these are the things that it looks like. Second is, what are the properties of cordyceps militaris? So see, the cordyceps militaris has a lot of properties. It has like it is benefited in prosexual. It is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant. It's anti-aging. Anti-aging. It is supposed to be called anti-aging. So here it is not written, but it is chronic. Who is suffering from chronic kidney disease? It is used in that. So it can be taken in different formats. Some of them they take it in hot water, or maybe in what do you say, milk. Okay, so there is a lot of properties as it's antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal. These are the things are there. Now, why it is called new generation mushroom means because this was always there, but now it is found and it has a lot of useful chemical properties. There's some problem. There are a lot of chemical constituents are there. So a lot of medicinal values are there. Hence, it is extensively used with the pharmaceuticals companies, the doctors invited. So these are all the good values for cordyceps militaris, and it is very costly product, one of the costly product. Now there are surveys, you must be knowing it. I'll not get into all that. These are the things where you can see that it has certain good. These are produced in different cultures. Okay, different people has different kind of storage systems, and we are having a laboratory, and we set up a laboratory for the other companies also. So yeah. Next is cordyceps sinensis. It is supposed to be anti-cancer and anti-aging properties. It has it. Okay. So it is naturally found. So we are certified company, and IOC certifications are there, both 22,000 and 9,000, and it has organic certificate. We have a certificate from WHO, and FSSAI is there. So any consumption for such these things are used to be like that. Now this is some okay. See, in this we are based in Lonavala, which is very near Pune. It's in Maharashtra. Okay, so there is some. Just a minute. I'll just stop it 1 minute.
Yes, Mr. Ravindra, you can proceed now.
Yeah, I've just started with the thing. I'm sorry for the. So I was talking about the cordyceps sinensis. It is actually naturally found in Himalayas. It is also called the caterpillar fungus. So it has a lot of medicinal values. Now the main is actually we get requirement from other countries for treating for cancer. So it is treating for breast cancer. So it is basically anti-cancer and anti-aging properties it has. Okay, so now it is new generation, that's why it's not been so popular, but it is claimed that it can be extensively used in near future. So I was talking about other certificates also. Yeah, the other thing is like I told you, we are located at Lonavala. Okay, it is near Pune and it's in Maharashtra. So our company is established in April 2019, and since then we have grown up to a private limited now. Before it was called Umbrella Agro Farming. So now it is private limited. So you can see in the map, like we are at our presence, and we have set up a lab for these states, like the places where I've been. Dehradun is there, Chandigarh is there, Gujarat is there. They actually, these are our clients where we have a buyback facility. Okay, and we set up a laboratory for them in small, medium, and large size. So pan India our presence are there. So our products are purely herbal and it has no side effects. Yeah, even though I say it has no side effects, but anything taken excessively or anything, it is not good. But it's a herbal and it will have no side effects. So there are certain ways that has to be taken. Once you get in touch with us, we will let you know how this has to be taken and what are the uses and properties are there in detail. So I already told you we are actually setting up laboratory in small, medium, and large size. So whatever lab equipment is required for the laboratory, it is also manufactured by us only, because it's very crucial. The thing that we are using, like autoclave, laminar is there, humidifier is there. So the air condition that is used to have control, that is also been modified by us, customized by us, and actually we supply to our customers. Okay, so that is our USP actually. The equipments that we are using to produce the cordyceps militaris is been given by us only. Total. Okay, so we are like 1 point solution in this business. Okay, so I have already spoken about the ISO certifications also. So there are few byproducts which I am going to talk to you in the next slide. Okay, so byproducts are there and the capsules format is also there. Okay, so there is a tagline that we are committed to enhance the quality of life. Yes, it's very true. When you actually take this herbal products, the quality of life enhances. Okay, so see, there is a cure for diabetes also, diabetes type 2 also. So we take a lot of allopathy medicine uh, for this cure. Okay, but this is herbal product, and I will not say that it can be reacted, but there are certain process and the course that you have to get into so that your diabetes can be reversed. Okay, so that is also there. Okay, actually it is mainly, I will say like we have a tincture kind of a liquid actually. So it was very much used for COVID. Okay, and very, very effective. But we are not propagating on that uh, because of the certain reasons. But yes, it is very much beneficial for COVID also. Okay, so next is, these are our products. Okay, from dye cordyceps militaris, this is in the raw form. So the pack is coming in this way. There are different packs also. It is in 200 grams, it is in 500 grams, it is 1 kg, and anyone who wants in the lower grams, lower this thing also, it will be given. So benefits I have written in the point form. I'll quickly go through. So again, this raw form is anti-aging, pro-sexual, memory power, boost memory power. So it's an energy booster, detoxification, one of the important property it has it. So asthmatic patient, they can consume this, and mainly for the athletic performer. Okay, so why they take it? Because of the energy, they want to boost it. The second product that we take it from the cordyceps militaris is in the liquid form, that is called oral liquid. And there are different kinds of mushroom from which we actually draw extracts. That is a byproduct of that. Okay. So it's a complete, we say it is a complete mushroom oral solution. It is consumed in a liquid form. So it protects entire body. It keeps you entire day fresh. Okay. And the athletic performance, athletic performance, they need energy. Okay. So for this is one kind of a thing where they can boost up their energy. Okay. So it comes in the designs that is actually shown here. That is a pack design. Okay, and there are 5 types of combinations of mushroom extracts are there. That is, first is cordyceps militaris, lion's mane, chagash mushroom, shiitake, and reishi. These are the 5 kind of in a 5 format. Next product is Go Diet. This is purely for diabetes type 2. It has 100% diabetes cure, and it reverses the diabetes. This is a 3-month course. It controls your blood sugars. So this is a pack that is done. In this pack, there are 3 capsule bottles are there. Okay, and we give the glucometer, and the diet booklet is there in this. So once you get in touch with me, I will tell you how to be taken this. This has no side effects at all. Second is cordyceps sinensis 4. So CS4 is cordyceps sinensis 4. This is also, we are the stockist of cordyceps sinensis, and we actually get this into a capsule format. I've already told you the benefits of this. So this is available with this in this capsule format. Next is cordyceps capsules. This is done from cordyceps militaris, what we produce over here. So this is the benefits of this is it is a mixture of other herbs also, but cordyceps militaris mushroom is one of the ingredients in this. Okay, so like it is used for the cholesterol. It regulates the cholesterol level. It regulates the blood pressures. Heart rate is normalized. Okay, inflammatory response is good. Okay, influences immune response. Okay, it protects the cell membrane, protects our brain cells, boosts our brain chemicals, supports neural functions. So neurologically, this is very much benefited. So these are the 5 kinds of our products are there. Next is the uses that is been shown out of this. They're already spoken about it. The oral individual, if you take, see, these are packs of 5. But if you take individual also, it has an individual benefit. Like I'm talking about Cordy Plus oral liquid. So it is chronic cough bronchitis, chronic coughs, it treats that. So like it is a bottle, okay, with few drops. So morning 12 drops, evening 13 drops. That is the way it has to be taken. Okay. So it treats your cough, it treats your bronchitis, respiratory, any disorder is there, okay, that it cures. Then it is very much used for kidney disorders, chronic kidney disorders. It cures that. So nighttime, people have a nighttime urination problem. So that is also been cured. Male sexual problems has been identified and cured in this. Anemia is there. So if there is any irregular heartbeat, that it takes care of that. High cholesterol can be taken care. So there are certain things which is very much. This is the few benefits that I have written uses. There are many more like that. So chaga mushroom, I hope you guys have heard about chaga mushrooms. So it also has a medicinal purpose, like it is antioxidant, okay, and it is taken in a tea, like any supplements in a milk or a tea or a green tea, not actually tea, but you can say it's a green tea, okay. So it extracts it fights the cancer. Okay, so now we get order for the customers, the patients will order this to fight the cancer. So that is, so it regulates the blood, controls the blood sugar, cholesterol levels, and the shiitake is also one kind of this thing. So almost the same medicinal value they have, and in and all this all have a human boosting up of immune system. Basically, it's that, and this shiitake is treating for prostate cancer. Anti-aging agent, this is one kind of thing. So mostly out of this 5, shiitake, reishi mushroom, they are mainly for anti-aging, okay, and rest everything is used for the blood pressure, control of blood pressure, control of diabetes, control of cholesterol level. Out of this lion's mane, I'll talk in later slide. Lion's mane. So this is the caption is harness the power. Okay, so if you intake this, the whole day is like you'll be fresh out of this. So it is in a capsule format and it is in the liquid format. So what it protects you from? It protects you from dementia. It protects you from anxiety, depression, and if there is any neural disorder is there. And it is very strong anti-inflammatory, immune boosting, and antioxidant. And it lowers your heart disease. It lowers the cancer, ulcer, and diabetes. It lowers in the sense it controls the diabetes. So next is cordyceps sinensis capsules. So this is formed in raw form also. It is in the capsule format also. Anyone who requires this product can contact me on this. Okay. So it is this particular mushroom, the extract of the mushroom, it is in the capsule format, is mainly used for chronic kidney disease. Okay. So it has a conventional treatment for the cancer also. There are a lot of medicinal values. So since it's a herbal, why we are propagating, since it's a herbal, it has no side effects. So it's safe to take it. The last, what I want to say, it is safe to take it. And otherwise also, if you are not suffering from such diseases, otherwise also it is benefited to keep yourself fresh throughout the day. So here I end up my presentation. It was, I hope, it was not too long. Rajni, I have.
Yes, Mr. Ravindra. Okay, thank you for sharing the details and the presentation.
Yes.
And
yes.
Go to the questions round now.
Okay.
The first question is, how does your company work with farmers?
With the farmers. Okay, see, Rajni, what happens, we are the producers of this. It is done in a controlled temperature. So we are only the farmers for cordyceps militaris. We only grow this. About cordyceps sinensis, we have to stock it and we have to contact the farmers who are actually taking it from Himalayas. Okay. So in that case, these are not something, it's a normal kind of a vegetable or something. It's a different kind of a very rare kind of a product. It's about the herbal thing. So farmer ka thing doesn't come into the picture here. Yeah.
Okay. I'll move to the next question now.
Hello.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. What does Umbrella Agro Private Limited in Lonavala do other than this?
Yeah. See, other than this, we have a scientific instruments that we manufacture for the laboratory setup. I told you during my presentation, we actually set up a lab for the startups, for the individuals or for the companies also. Those who wants to do the business in cordyceps militaris, the growing of cordyceps militaris, we set up a complete lab for them. Okay, so whatever equipment is required for the lab to set up, we only manufacture that. Because the reason for this is because if you go and take it from outside, maybe the cordyceps militaris in the controlled temperature it grows. So for that, there are certain things that has to be taken care for the machinery as far as the equipment is required. Okay, so for that we actually got into this also. So other than this, we do the equipments, the manufacturing of the equipments for the lab setup. We do lab setup. We actually extract the byproducts from the raw materials and we sell it in the market.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me check in any questions are left out. Okay. I don't see any further questions from our participants. So I think now we have come to the end of question round. Agricultureinformation.com likes to thank Mr. Ravindra Chavan for taking the time to talk with us. I also like to thank all the participants for joining this meeting. The meeting will now be closed.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
You're most welcome, sir.
Yeah.